Hey Menno, just a quick one. I just tried logging into your account and it seems that there's suspicious activity. So I think Facebook picked up that a different URL, sorry, a different IP has tried logging into your account. So it's just knocked me out of there and I can't go back in to set up the account. So I just thought I'd shoot through a quick video of how to do that. Now, I tried logging in and I did get in and did start the process of building out your business manager. But there's a few little things that you'll need to do once you log in. So if you go to facebook.business.com, no, sorry, it's business.facebook.com. It's the link I just shot it over in the previous email a few minutes ago. If you log into there, you should see that you will have a business manager, something similar to this. So you'll see, so here's ours, for example, is Growth Marketing Systems. You'll see one called, what did I name it? Instant Cash Flow for Cafes. So if you go into there, you will then need to add a page. So this is the actual Facebook business page. So by clicking on add page, there should be the option to create new page. So if you just go into that, so it should look similar to this. Now, if you go over to pages here, you can go add pages and then you can just do a create a new page. Now that's a very easy process. So you just go through, follow the prompts, and just name it the same thing. And then once you've done that, you'll need to add an ad account. So if you do the same process, go in, click on add, and then create a new ad account. Go through the prompts. There's a few little things and questions that you'll get asked. Just fill that out. And then let me know how you go with that. I'll need you to then go up into your business settings, and then you can add a partner. So once you click add a partner, I'll send you our business ID. So then it should just, it should find Growth Marketing Systems as the partner, and then it'll generate a link and you can shoot that over to us. Now it's a little bit of a process, I know, unless you can unlock the account somehow and I can get in and do it myself, but try that yourself and let me know how you go. Thanks.